California Republican Party, like many sports teams, has had its all-stars. George Deukmejian, Pete Wilson, Ronald Reagan. Leaders from whom the entire world has benefited.
Some experts would have you believe we have struck out, or that our state has struck out. Well, California may be down, but she's not out.
Every team has its good years and its off seasons. The way we see it, this is an exciting opportunity to rebuild a world-class championship team.
We have a great new coach in Tom Del Beccaro. Tom is a great communicator of our generation who will help us communicate to every Californian where we live and work in terms we understand.
Tom Del Beccaro knows that with high unemployment, a pension crisis, a foreclosure crisis, and out-of-control taxes,
there is too much work to do to give up now. Tom has a new playbook to help us to be proud to be Republican again, to help us to be proud to be Californians again.
Join the team.
Join the team.
Join the team.
Our new season begins March 20th.
March 20th.
March 20th.
Be there.
Be there.
Be there.